Alright, we need to review the autonomic nervous system. Now, what does it control? Does anyone remember?
Can I get a hint?
Well, alright. Now, what would you consider breathing to be under the category of?
Automatic things?
Very good, but it's an essential bodily function. Now, it also controls something else. Do you remember? How about you? Do you remember?
No.
Alright, it controls essential bodily functions and emotion. There are two divisions of the autonomic nervous system, the parasympathetic and the sympathetic. Now, you've got to remember, you associate sympathetic with stress and parasympathetic with peace. Let's see, anybody got any examples of a time when they think their parasympathetic nervous system came into play? You mean parasympathetic peace?
Well, I guess that would just be like relaxing, like just,
Well,
yeah, like
probably.
I
I mean,
Oh! I was at a spa.
alright.
Hi, do you need anything else?
No, thank you. I'm at peace with my soul.
Very good.
So, while you were at the spa, what do you think happened? Which division of the autonomic nervous system activated and how did it function?
Well, I'm pretty sure my pupils closed, and my saliva, there was a lot of it, and my heart just started, like, slowing down. I don't know, it just slowed.
And so that's what happened when your parasympathetic nervous system activated. Very good. Now you, do you know what the other division of the autonomic nervous system is? Parasympathetic and the...
sympathetic.
Very good. Okay. Now can you think of an instance in which your sympathetic nervous system was activated?
Well, there was this one time that I was attacked by a ferocious beast.
Alright, so now can you think of what might have happened in your body while this stressful situation was occurring?
Well, my pupils would have dilated so I could see everything that was happening, and my mouth went really dry, and then my heartbeat sped up really quickly, and my breathing quickened too, and so that was so I could fight it or run away, right?
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah. So can anyone think of any experiments that help people discover more about the autonomic nervous system?
Oh, I know one.
Alright.
Yeah, there were these two guys, and one of them was, I think his name is Cannon, and the other one was Washburn, and Cannon was this scientisty guy. And Washburn, they did this experiment, and Washburn put a balloon in his stomach, and they inflated it to see if he would be full, and they deflated it to see if he was hungry. And that has to do with the hypothalamus, and that's part of the autonomic nervous system.
Very good. Very good. Now, we've talked about the sympathetic and the parasympathetic divisions of the autonomic nervous system. And each of these two divisions have things called ganglia, which are clusters of cells which tell certain organs to do certain things. Now, the parasympathetic ganglia are separated. They can tell a single organ to perform its function without the others. But the sympathetic, actually, all of the ganglia are intertwined so that if one thing happens in the sympathetic nervous system, the whole system becomes activated, if you will.
So that means when I was at the spa, my ganglias were all separated?
No, it doesn't mean that your ganglia were separated necessarily. What it means is that the ganglia that would say connect to your eyes so that your pupils would constrict didn't make it necessarily that it slowed your breathing. Those things happened independently of one another. If the sympathetic nervous system is activated, then you will tense. Your breathing will quicken at the exact same time that your mouth dries up. They are not independent of one another. They cannot function separately from one another. You see?
I see.
So that means, like, an example would be that, like what? I'm confused.
An example would be, well, when you got scared by the ferocious beast, everything was activated at once. When she was at the spa, the things can and often do have a tendency to activate separately. They don't all happen at once. Parasympathetic does not all happen at once. Sympathetic does.
So when you salivate, you don't have to pee at the same time.
Have to go. You've got to remember to make your flashcards. And remember the mnemonic, autonomic, automatic.
Well, I think that we're gonna ace this test, don't you guys?
Me too.
Agreed.
Yeah. Woo!
There are 2 divisions. Let's see. Do you remember?
Sorry.
And this is the part we edit out. Yeah.
Rolling.
So while you were at the spa, what do you think happened to your body? I mean, what do you think happened?
It activated my digestive tract. And it released bile from the liver to aid digestion.
Let's try this again.
So did anyone know of any experiments that help to, well, perhaps establish... Screw it. Can you...
Oh, this is weird.
Now, can anyone... Alright, now the ganglia for the parasympathetic nervous system is different than the ganglia for the sympathetic nervous system. Those are those bodies of... Now the...
Setting the scene. Oh dear.
Good things we go to make it seem realistic.
And the bathtub.
Oh.
Getting out of way of camera.
Yeah. Oh, you had a lot on that one.
Oh yeah.
Do I need it more right here? Yeah.
No, well, you're gonna put your cucumbers on your eyes.
Oh yeah.
I
Okay.
don't think you're supposed to get it in your eyes.
Okay.
Rub some in there.
We really are using all of it, aren't we?
It's fine. You think that's good?
I think so.
Alright, here, just take the rest of this
Oh,
off.
Rush is sufficiently green.
It's fine on camera.
Alright.
Mom!
Okay, here I come.
No!
What it means is that the ganglia connected to the organs that are part of the parasympathetic... Shoot! But I'm here.
Yeah.